coming up next on Shaded by Jade.
This is my natural hair, you guys. Don't play with it, okay? Look at this, you guys.
Yeah! I've been watching you.
Hey mamas, welcome back to another video. So guys, we are doing a little vlog today. I am taking Celine to a vegan restaurant, you guys. This is gonna be the first time that we're ever trying this vegan restaurant. It's like an upscale vegan restaurant. So I heard the parking was really bad, so we took an Uber because they said the parking is really bad. So I'm excited. Are you ready? Yes, the whole menu is vegan, okay? Let's go. It feels so good. I feel like we're like out in LA right now. Right, Lene? Is it good? I'm so happy she could enjoy everything here. Like, she could just eat everything, right? It's yummy. You full? It's yummy. Okay guys, we made it out the house. This is my natural hair, you guys. Don't play with it, okay? It's giving mamiana. So now we are about to go to the hair store so I can get some stuff for Celine's hair. I'm gonna do her hair to last her for the week. Then we're gonna go to Trader Joe's. The hair store, yeah, so you can get your hair done.
No.
Trader Joe's, Trader Joe's. What is it? It's pink. Y'all, be a strawberry donut, okay?
Yeah, it's strawberry.
Yeah, this is for Lene, but Lene got iced coffee? Y'all, this is not really iced coffee, okay? It's almond milk with a pump of mocha and vanilla. Okay, you want it? To the hair store. Okay, y'all, we love this hair store. Period. She said this is the best show. So this is what we get. What does it do? Double duty detangle stuff? Okay, I need that. Put that in there. Yes. Rainbow one? I don't like those, Celine. Okay. No? Oh my gosh. Bye. Got all this stuff. We didn't forget your shower caps.
Shower caps.
Okay, I'm just getting this green. Y'all, okay, this is what we spent today up in here. Girl, we better get you right. Look, you get a free bracelet. Oh, thank you so much. Say thank you. She's for this Celine. Celine got on her glasses, y'all. Let me see, Lene. She's prepared for today. She's prepared, okay? Period. They only had 2 left. Look, they got a haunted house.
Wait.
Look, you want to make one of these?
What?
Look, this is how she had me push her inside. Her hair looks crazy.
What?
Look, the haunted house. You want to get one of those? You gotta get down. Go grab one.
This one.
Oh, be careful. You want to knock it down. Here, grab one.
Yeah, you can make it.
Let me see. Oh, it's heavy.
Yeah.
It's heavy.
Yeah, it's too heavy.
Okay.
It's too heavy.
These before. This is a pumpkin. Swan pumpkin. Let's see.
That's the pumpkin.
Swan pumpkin.
Pumpkin. Huh?
You like the white pumpkin?
Nah.
Or you want the orange pumpkin?
The orange pumpkin.
You want an orange pumpkin?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, well, go ahead. You want to get 2 of them?
Yeah.
Lena's about to get her hair washed. Let me show you everything we got. It has all types of stuff in it. And the bottle is so cute. this so that her hairstyles could last a little bit longer. And then I also have the gummy edge control for her baby hairs.
But the yellow is on a better head.
They told me blue magic. My baby has really tangly hair, so this has like that slip stuff in it to help me really detangle it. A sulfate-free moisturizing shampoo, y'all. Kids soft for 8 because she has flaky scalp. Gave this to me for free. This is the Miss Jackie's Harm Me Not. I guess this helps with knots. Some shower caps for her deep conditioner. Oh, they're not. These jumbo beads, ballies. I got this little thing to massage her scalp while I wash her hair. Scrunchies. And then I got this detangle brush. I know the one on Amazon went viral, but I needed to get this today, y'all. Okay guys, I'm not the best at doing hair, but I think it looks pretty good. What you think, mommy? You like it? You think mommy did a good job?
Yeah, it's cool.
It's cool. I'm getting better, y'all. I'm getting better. Hey, mamas. Okay, so I don't know if I'm adding. Yeah, I'm gonna put the first part in the vlog there. Okay, so we are about to go to Sephora. It's just me by myself right now because guess what? Going to Sephora, I'm gonna get my favorite fish tacos while Selena's in school, while my man is doing his thing. My glasses, these are so bomb. I got these for my birthday from Mia. These are off-white, y'all. These are so bomb. They are so cute. Like, I love them. I just put gas in my car. Y'all, I'm just kidding, y'all. But yeah, so I'm about to go to Sephora because I need to get some things. I'm gonna be recording a little TikTok video so that you guys can get like a little inside of, like a sneak peek before I drop this video. You know what I'm saying? Y'all, loving my hair. The natural hair, like, what? I've been loving it. I've been feeling so beautiful. I've been having on short nails. I don't like it. I'm not gonna lie. But everybody keeps telling me, Jay, short nails are you. I don't feel like a bad bitch with short nails. I just don't. I don't know what it is. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like those oval nails. I tried that back in 2020 and I did not like it either. It wasn't me. So it's just like, I'm gonna go back to tapered square. Something's gotta give. Now, here's the thing. Let me know if y'all agree with this. When I do long nails, something about putting color on long nails, it starts to then look too much for me. When I do have long nails, I normally do a French, or I do like a baby pink, or I do like the nude, you know, like the sheer type of colors. I don't do solid colors when I have long nails. Being a girl is so hard. Unbig our back. I'm unbigging my back every month. Like, it's ridiculous. If you've been following my TikTok, you would see I've been unbigging my back for a while now. Well, I've been trying to unbig my back for a while now. And it's like, I don't want to get back on my pills because I don't want to keep depending on them to lose the quick pounds, but I'm about to do it. Like, okay, let's do it. Like, I just need to do it at this point. My ADHD is kicking in real bad right now. All right, Shade by Jade lip gloss will be restocking soon. The girl sold me out on TikTok. Transparent moment. I want to say thank you guys so much. Like, for a while I was having like a little bit of like a down feeling because I couldn't figure out what has been going on with TikTok and YouTube, and it was like really stressing me out, and that's why I haven't been posting videos, because I was really trying to figure out what I need to do, come up with a game plan, and I think I figured it out. So I also have a cheat sheet and a webinars that I be doing to show you guys what I have learned. But you know, this is just a transparent talk like I always do with y'all. Like, don't give up. You know, I wasn't gonna give up. I just had to take a break. You could take a break, but just don't give up. You know, at one point, me and my assistant, like, I was like, bro, I don't know what to do. Like, out of nowhere, which I never thought in a million years that I would be invited to an event like this, y'all. I don't know why. I need to stop thinking about myself like that, but you know, I'm an overthinker. House of CB had reached out to us to pay us for paid content of their brand new store, and they even invited me to the event, and I got all these nice clothes. Like, I'm just so grateful. Just when you think that things are not going your way, God shows up. And I was fasting and stuff around that time, So the quickest way you can get God to answer your prayers or to hear God speak to you, the quickest way, y'all, is to fast, okay? It don't gotta be nothing too much, but it's like you gotta give to get. I'm here, I'm to tell you guys, keep going. If you don't have anybody, I'm telling you right now, keep going, keep pushing. You have to realize not everybody's gonna be a content creator, not everybody's gonna be rich, not everybody's gonna be a boss. That is not everybody's life. I understand that and I get that, but I'm speaking to the people who want that. If it's already in your mind and you already thought about it, that means that it is a possibility. It can manifest. God can bring it to life, because you're not just going to have these ideas out of nowhere. You know what I mean? So you have to put the work in and pray and get to where you're trying to be. And the people who have no purpose, or the people who don't practice their purpose, or the people who just sit on their ass, sometimes they are just here on earth to help other people get to where they need to be. Or sometimes they're just here to be an example to show you what your life will be like if you do not work in your purpose, or if you do not chase your dreams. Okay, do you understand what I'm saying? All right, anyways, enough of all that. Let's go spend some money. Some of the stuff that I got from Sephora, I spent like $315. I got this under eye stick. Mind you, I already used some of this stuff. This is the Tula. It has gold in it. I also got, yes baby, I got the Mario contour stick. But this is the Mario blush. My Glossier dewdrops. Okay, hold on. This is the contour stick. It also has a brush at the end. So cool. This Glossier face cleanser. This is the bomb, y'all. I'll use it with the dewdrops. Marc Jacob perfume, y'all. This smells so good. We are about to make the haunted house.
The first step is
I already did that.
okay.
Now
Yeah! Good job.
Yeah, it's chocolate.
that's what you want to taste it?
Good job.
Now you need to make this one.
No, the icing at the top. Like, why you do that? God bless the child.
Daddy, I'm a kid.
What are you sure?
Sony.
No.
Yeah, it is.
Then you said, I'm gonna pay.
Yeah, Sony.
Any questions? Dang, y'all ain't got nothing to say?
Do you feel like dang, go Brielle,
Queen and Brielle, those is my girls, okay? Because they gonna speak up.
Oh, Brielle.
Go ahead, whoever wants to go first.
Okay, I was just gonna say, I didn't have a question. I was just gonna say that sometimes I be ready to pick up, like I've been doing my phone lately. I had not picked up my camera. I'm about
to end this vlog. I just left the gym with my man. Anyways, I just had some packages to do some promo for this company. I'm so excited because I'm going to be getting a quick weave for the first time. Y'all know I'm trying to unbig my bag. I'm out of breath. Okay, look at this, you guys. So this is the new Shaded by Jade lash kits, okay? Y'all know I had my lashes done. I did it the other day in my vlog with my lash kits. So this is what it's gonna look like. I'm gonna show you guys just a little bit of it. Boom, that's it. So I have to tweak the colors and stuff in here. This was just like one of the samples. But like, come on now. Come on now, y'all know me. I'm always working. If I go missing, it's always for a reason, okay? I'm always working. Remember that. Always working. I have some new type of videos I'm going to be putting out. It's going to be totally different from vlogs, okay? Totally different from vlogs. I just left Target. And they didn't have my favorite scent, which is the rose whatever one. So I wanted to try this one. And then the best protein shake ever, y'all. This is like ice cream flavor and it's vegan, because I'm really weird when it comes to like milk products. Fabric sheets, and then this is the best toothpaste ever. I even use baking soda to keep my teeth white. Get y'all some. I need to get my nails done. But anyways, I love y'all so much. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.